Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making cheesy baked Caesar chicken. So here we go. I'm adding some chicken breasts. You can also cut them horizontally if you want, but I've chosen not to. Now I'm going to season them with some garlic powder. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. Some pepper. Now I'm not going to add any salt at this time because the other ingredients I'm using will have some salt in them. I'm going to use one whole bottle, and it is 425 mils of Caesar dressing. Now I've bought the bacon Caesar dressing because I thought that would be really good to have bacon in there. So I'm just going to put the whole bottle in on top of the chicken. Make sure you cover everything. Chicken breasts have a tendency to dry out, so I'm just going to add a lot of sauce to this. I just put a little bit of water in the container just to clean it out thoroughly. Okay, now I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. Now this is all I had left for Parmesan, so I'm just going to sprinkle this all over top. I'm going to put the recipe below for you guys, but I'm just going to basically use what I have. Now the recipe that is going viral, they use provolone cheese, but I shredded this a couple days ago and I want to use it up, so this is just mozzarella cheese. This recipe is so simple and so quick to make that with Christmas just around the corner, I just chose to do this instead of a great big meal. I'm just going to dump the whole bag in here. And just spread it over top of the chicken. Now again, I didn't have croutons, but I do have some panco breadcrumbs that I'm just going to sprinkle over top. Now I'm just going to put this in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30-35 minutes, or until my meat probe that I'm going to be using comes out at 165 or 170 degrees. I want to make sure this chicken gets cooked through, so I will be back with the finished version. I'd like to take this time to thank all of my subscribers, and also whoever hasn't subscribed yet, I would like to thank them for all their views on my videos, as well as their watch time that I get. I actually started this YouTube channel out a couple years ago as a hobby, just to kind of do something for myself, and it's turned into so much more than what I was expecting. So I would like to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and all the best in the new year. And yeah, I feel like 2026 is going to be amazing. So I wish you all the happiness and health and wealth to every one of you. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, here it is, guys. It turned out absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to have with it. Baked Brussels sprouts, bacon over top of rice. Delicious. You guys have got to make this. It's easy, it's just delicious, and everybody's going to love it. Thanks for watching, guys.